Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Latonka. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, girl, because we lit over here. So I wanted to come to y'all today with a quick little video because I discovered something new today, and if I discover something new, I know I want to put y'all onto it, and I know y'all want me to put y'all onto it, so why not make a video for y'all, right? Right. Okay, so I discovered a new brush bar from JaLarue Cosmetics, and I bought this brush bar maybe about a few weeks ago. When I pulled it out and I washed the first brush, I noticed that the first wash got the brush clean, and I have never experienced that before, y'all. When I tell y'all, I was like, hold on, this is something everybody need to know about. So I decided to put my camera out, girl. So I was like, I need to put my girls on to it for real. So yeah, I started to wash my brushes with it, and when I tell you, it got my brushes so clean. Literally the first time around, normally I have to do maybe about 3 to 4, sometimes 5 washes, and not even talking about with my beauty blender. We all know that beauty blender takes forever to get clean because it's just, you know, that sponge, it sucks up everything. It is just so hard to get it out. But when I tell y'all that brush bar cleaned my beauty blender literally in that first wash, got it spotless clean, and I was so amazed. I was like, oh yeah, I definitely got to put y'all on. So yeah, I did a little snippet video or whatever, kind of showing y'all exactly, you know, how, you know, the beauty brush bar work, and the cleansing bar. I keep saying beauty brush bar because I keep thinking of a beauty blender, so please excuse me. I always recommend to clean your brushes. Sometimes I don't do it every week because you know how it is. Sometimes you just get caught up in everything that you got going on, so you really don't have time to clean your brushes every week. But if you can help it, try to clean your brushes every week. And not even just because it's important, but it'll also help you to not have so much makeup built up on your brushes, because the more makeup you continue to put on your brushes, the harder it's gonna get clean, the harder it's going to take to clean the brushes. So you want to kind of make sure that you don't go too long without, you know, washing your brushes. So there are a few things that I wanted to tell you that I love about the brush. I do love the fact that it only takes 1 to 2 washes to get the brushes clean. You don't have to be taking forever, all these multiple washes. Nobody has time for that. We got other things to do. We got, yeah, we busy. We booked and busy. So technically we really don't have time to be even doing that. So the fact that it cuts down on time, this brush is definitely the way to go. Another reason why I like this brush bar is because, like I said earlier, it's hard for me to clean my beauty blender, and literally this brush bar did the job instantly, y'all. So for that matter, all by itself, I'm giving this bar a 10 out of 10, literally, because it just does everything that it need to do. And then last but not least, I love the fact that the brush bar is homemade. We all love homemade products. We got the whole natural thing going on right now, where we want, you know, everything that we used to be natural. So, you know, why not test out this makeup brush? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to roll back the videos that I took cleaning my brushes, and hopefully y'all like it and y'all decide to go on over to JaLarue Cosmetics and order you one, because I guarantee you will not regret it. The brush bar is retailed for $11.95. It's a pretty large size, and I'll definitely put in a clip of how the bar looks. I guarantee you the brush will last you a good little while, because a little bit goes a long way for sure. You don't have to use so much of it. So like I said, it will last you a long time. So hopefully you get something out of this video, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.